singing on the train. This nigga hiccuping. They need to stop singing. Their voice is that whiny.
Walk away.
What?
Local train. The next stop is
What you say?
Saratoga.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Please fuck no.